So hey guys, in this video I will tell you how you can restore your Snapchat streak. So for this, first of all, open your Snapchat application, and friends, if you want to restore your Snapchat streak, then there are two methods to restore. So in our first method, if restore option is showing after the name of your friend, then tap on this option, and as you tap on this option, then this kind of restore option will be shown. And if free streak restore option is available, then tap on restore option, and if pay amount option is showing, then you can also restore your streak by paying that amount. And friends, if this restore option is not showing there, then you have to open the chat of your friend, and after then restore your snap streak option will be show under the name of your friend, like you can see. And friends, if you don't want to pay for your Snapchat streak, or if this option is not showing in your Snapchat chat section or in the chat section of your friend, then you have to follow the second method. In this, you have to open any browser, and in the browser you have to search Aditya Gyan, and as you search, then tap on the first website, and in this website you will get to see an option of search. Simply tap on search icon, and here you have to search streak, like I am searching streak, then tap on search option. And as you tap on search option, simply scroll down your page and tap on this blog, and in this blog you have to scroll down your page, like, and here you will find a option of restore, then tap on this restore option, and here the official Snapchat restore page will be here, and here you will get to see option of this form. Tap on this form, and friends, in this page you will find a form. So in this form, you have, first of all, you have to fill your Snapchat username, your Snapchat link, email address, your mobile number, then, and guys, in this box you have to fill the username of that person which you want to restore like streak. So as you fill your username, then tap on the submit option, and as you tap on the submit option, then Snapchat team will try to contact you regarding the Snapchat streak issue. And friends, if you have any questions or doubt, please comment on this video. Must like and subscribe to our channel to get more interesting and informative videos like this.